dance on the window pane, making puddles on the lane. The clouds are gray and full of cheer. They bring the rain we love to hear, and little streams begin to flow. Through the garden they gently go. Rainbow colors might appear when the sun starts shining.